So me set up on the dresser. Ask she about the things I wish she want, so me will get her.
Well, I put her up on the dresser. Well,
so me set up on the dresser. Ask she about the things I wish she want, so me will get her.
Yeah.
Reaction.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now today hear a song from Swanny, you feel me, Trinidad, what's up, what's happening, you feel me, y'all say I'm not supporting you, come on, I'm still here, you feel me, you just gotta take time to get to everything, slowly coming back to posting. Anyway, the song is called Against the World. The last time we heard the lyrics, I think there's a song from Music that say, Against the World, just me against the world, something like that. I don't remember exactly the song, but you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's get straight to this video. Smash a like, a comment, and subscribe. I may put your comments right here this time. So comment on this video to see your comment right here in the next video that I post. Ain't no posting every single day, right? Anyway, let's get straight to the video. Red shoot.
She want a man to really make she happy.
Yeah.
She don't want to love anybody like everybody. She been through hell in the past like Angela's story.
I guess so. You see if you're heartbroken, turn away them. I don't want them stressed there. You see me I say? So keep that to yourself. But we'll go back somewhere. Hold on.
Love anybody like everybody.
Yeah.
She been through hell in the past like Angela's story.
Yeah.
So she not forgive it easily to any cocky.
What?
Past like Angela's story, so she not forgive it easily to any cocky.
She not have to give it easy to
Girl, me understand, so here's the plan. Me and you together, we can make a lot of bands. The vision when we get is you, me, and some millions.
See him, sir. Not for them guys now prefer to make money with a man, dog. Is it me? I say, they must want to come sit down and just expect everything to hand it to them. I want them to know. I want them to you. Come to me, could go scam or something. Humbuckler deal. Go on.
That we can make a lot of bands. The vision when we get is you, me, and some millions.
Yeah.
Listen up. You got the mind, so you feel know me got the guts. Me
Yeah.
and you against the world, it's over time, let's fuck it up.
Yeah.
We are the mindset like the guide, so them can't hold me back.
Yeah.
We step, we make them extra dangerous. Teach about the trade and then we just invest in the stocks. We forget about the hit, just make we live and stack the cash. Me no see nobody else, just only you don't tell me that. Tell you this,
No. Everybody that dream for their life, I'm talk about another song. I don't even think in himself or live that life. But everybody that dream for their life, right? That's all. Yeah, your girl I met, my your girl also together. You see me I say, as me say. You know what? Let's walk a little bit. Go on. Hear the chorus.
Just only you don't tell me that. Tell you this again. My cocky is to you. This cocky is to you.
Alright.
My cocky is to you. She whisper in my ear.
Yeah, gone from talking about making money with her, gone talk about how cocky is for she alone, you know. From making money with her, from stocking, from investing, gone straight back to the fucking, you know, so.
My cocky is to you. She whisper in my ears now. This pussy is to you.
What?
My pussy is to you. This pussy is to you. So me set up on the dresser. Ask she about the things I wish she want, so me will get her.
Well, I put her up on the dresser. Well,
so me set up
on the dresser.
Ask she about the things I wish she want, so me will get her.
Yeah.
Just take your time, baby, no pressure.
Yeah.
Sweet just like the honey from my voice, she had the nectar.
Yeah.
That's how me know the gods they have to bless her. Beat it every night and then me apply all the pressure. Take your time, baby, no pressure.
Listen.
Sweet just like the honey from my voice, she had the nectar. Pussy tight, that's how me know the gods they have to bless.
That's how you know the gods them bless her because it tight.
Beat it every night and then me apply all the pressure.
every single night. You're not gonna stay top.
Come walking on your life is like me find the treasure.
Yeah.
Pretty little face me have to choke it when me stretch her. If me get locked up, she had the type to send the letter. And she no afraid for post the bill because she bank account 6 figure. She fucking with a winner. Anything I mind me give. Cause when I checking on the books, everything she do, she's a keeper. And she keep it like a G, like a G. Oh, she keep it, oh, she keep it like a G. Every time we fuck, you know she bash.
Well, before I sign you finish, I'm asking on the thoughts. I love raising in the comment section. So talk to me. What are your thoughts on the song? Drop it down below in the comment section. You see me? I'm not gonna fuck with the song or not. You feel me? But I like the video. Clean as usual. You see me? I say that song give me like an old verse, like a long time ago. That song you have it though. My opinion. But go on.
Again. My cocky see you, this cocky see you, my cocky see you, she whisper in my ears now, this
I like that, as I said, I'll give me a task, give me an opinion again, as I said, drop it down below. I mean, what's up, another video phone right now, and I may get 2 today. Big up on yourself. I sign out.